this. Trek, you move back. Me, him, showdown to finish. I really want to fight my old school rival, Trek. What you have against Trek, I won't tell you. It's just a long story. And I want to bore you with the details. Rashawn! Powerpuff! Invisible dirt kick! Oh, yeah. My dark powers got me with that. Dirt kick! Now, Trek, grab it! Oh. Wait. I did it wrong. Oh, ow. Sorry, Fiona. Ow. Ow. Ow, 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 ow. Rushing on! Ow! Yeah! My dark powers are invincible! Check now. Yeah. I can't, Fiona. I need to stop myself from fighting you. Something's wrong with me. He put some power on me. I'm sorry, Trick, but I'm gonna have to fight the power of you. Yeah, good, Fiona. Fight the power out of me. Must control my darkness. Let's control my anger.